We've all seen so many places shut down during this stay-home, work-safe order. It's happening all over the country and around the world, but that doesn't mean we can't help out the places in our community. With that in mind, let's talk about the nonprofit San Antonio Zoo. Their CEO, Tim Morrow, used to be the San Antonio Spurs statistician. He has a massive task to keep the downtown zoo going because they rely on sales during normal operations and donations from the public.
For us, every penny counts because we are 100% dependent on people visiting and spending at the zoo, and without that, we don't have income coming in to pay for the animal care staff, the food, the vet care. So we're working right now to get donations, raise money any way we can, and really continue the world-class care that we provide here to the animals.
Morrow has a very close connection to Spurs' Tony Parker, who has a passion for the San Antonio Zoo and the animals there.
Before I was at the zoo, I was at SeaWorld San Antonio for almost 20 years, and I met Tony probably the second week he was in San Antonio. He was a 19-year-old kid. He was at the front gate, and we recognized him, and I just brought him in, and we've been friends ever since. About 2 years before I even came to the zoo, he joined the board of San Antonio Zoo. So he has had a long-lived love of animals, and at SeaWorld we used to do behind the scenes, and he was doing that here and got on our board. He's a great spokesperson. You know, he loves this city. He's living here. He's staying here, and so he's helped us with a lot of our exhibits. He's named some animals here after family members and other fun things with us, and so he's greatly appreciated as a member of our board and really connecting us to the community on that Spurs level.
One of the most watched shows right now on Netflix is the docuseries Tiger King, following people who own, breed, and sell tigers. It's incredibly popular, but it's not easy to watch for those who work hard to properly take care of these animals.
What I've been saying is very ironic that we're living this pandemic right now that was ultimately probably started by animal trafficking and somebody eating an animal that had been trafficked into China, and we're being entertained by a movie about animal trafficking, and it's hard to watch, but it draws you in and you want to see what's happening, and there's such big personalities in that movie that it's interesting to watch, but from a zoological side it's very hard because of the care we put into our animals here.
We recently learned that a 4-year-old Malayan tiger in the Bronx Zoo has been infected with COVID-19, possibly from an infected zookeeper. Morrow pointed out that the zoos have been in close contact with each other since all this started to ensure the safety and health of employees and the animals.
Our animal care staff is wearing gloves and masks and face masks dealing with our big cats and some other species as of last week before the announcement came out of that cat testing positive. But the veterinary world, the zoo world, is very close-knit. We're all in this together for a mission, and so the communication is 100% open between all of us, and our animals are doing fine here. We have had no animals show any symptoms.
All right, here's how you can help out the San Antonio Zoo. You can donate by going to sazoo.org. Monthly memberships start at $3. They have discounted monthly memberships, and I know every single dollar will matter to the zoo. Plus, you can adopt an animal, which is pretty darn cool.